This fitment video is brought to you by Ryco TV. In today's episode, we'll be fitting an RCA149C cabin air filter into a Volkswagen Golf Mark 6. Start by removing the two retainer screws, located underneath the glove box. Once you have the screws out, gently remove the cover. Lightly press on the cover plate and slide it to the left. Remove the old cabin filter and make note that the angled end is to the left. Make sure that the angled end is to the left and simply slide it into the housing. Refit the cover plate by gently pressing and sliding it to the right. Now refit the cover, making sure to get all the edges correctly in place. Reinstall the retainer screws back in place and you're done. This video was brought to you by Ryco TV.